Good morning. Good morning. What are you doing? Tell me. Tell me, what are you doing? Hey. 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 Baby. Hi. What's up? What's up? Good morning. You're so pretty. Good boy. Good boy. You're so smart. You're so smart and cute. Come on. Come on. Hi. You can come here. Come on. It's so funny. Oh, your new cage is arriving. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah. Cookie, smile. Good boy. You're smiling.
Come to me, my animal friends. Hello, my friends.
All right, everybody's here for class. All right, so today's lesson is going to be about how to be cute. Hi, you can come here. Come on. Come on.
Good morning. You're so pretty. Good morning. Oh, so pretty.
Do you like the new dog food we got? Do you like the new dog food? It's for weight loss because you're so big, Sam.
Just look at my hand.
Oh, good boy, Bodie.
You got your weak spot.
Good morning. Good morning.
Here, Gus. Gus, come on. Come on, come on, Gus. Hi, you can come here. Come on.
What you doing there? Can you jump? 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 Miss Pink. Getting your first bath. Huh?
you hungry? Do you want dinner? It's good, yeah?
Mia, come here. Come here. Come here.